This is Mrs. Wilcoxis in the library. It is October 13th, 2017, and this video is on finding term paper resources, actually research paper resources, but they call it term paper in this environment that I wanted to show you. So we're going to go out to ABC-CLIO, and there's a lot of ways to get to these. I'm just going to take you straight there. And we're going to go to the ebook collection. And I'm looking for something titled, there's a whole series called Term Paper Resources. So I just want to show you, I'm going to search for term paper. I'm going to show you those resources, and then we're going to go into one. So Term Paper Resource Guide to American Indian History, Colonial American History, Medieval History, which does not pertain to this project, to the U.S. history paper, United States, 19th century world history, but there's also 19th century U.S. history. There we go. So let me just show you, once you go into one of these, what it's kind of going to look like. It's not going to feed you a paper. Don't kid yourself, okay? But you can see you have all these different topics, okay? And they all have something to do with 19th century U.S. history. I was playing with this earlier. Let's go into the Donner Party, okay? So again, it's not going to give you lots of information. It gives you a quick thing about what the Donner Party is. I'm guessing you guys know what the Donner Party is. They all traveled off. They were going from like Missouri to California, and they got stuck in the winter. They died. They ate each other. Pretty gross. Okay, so you read like 2 paragraphs about the Donner Party ordeal, so you kind of get a sense of what they're even talking about, and if you find it interesting. And then it comes down here and it gives you term paper suggestions. Now, all of their term paper suggestions will not be appropriate for your research paper. Your research paper has to have an arguable statement and at least 3 points, right? So you'll see that some of the stuff is not appropriate, but you kind of get this idea of the controversy around it, the questions that might be asked. Okay, here, the Donner Party actually blazed a new trail that was used for Mormons to reach Utah in the following year, explored the route and how it became a part of the Mormon Trail. So you could actually talk about how the Mormon migration, what Mormons migrated for various reasons, or Mormons were forced to migrate due to, whatever. And then there's actually another article about, the Mormon migration in here. I know I saw it. There we go, Mormon migration to Utah. Anyway, it's just going to give you enough information to think critically about the topic, and then you can do a little bit more research. Let me know if you have any questions.